Have you ever told yourself, I'll do it later, or I'll start tomorrow? We all say it sometimes, but what if that small habit was quietly destroying your dreams? Time is the most powerful thing in life. It doesn't stop. It doesn't wait. And once it's gone, it never comes back. If you use it right, it can change your life. If you waste it, you lose everything. In today's world, with endless scrolling notifications and distractions everywhere, it's so easy to lose track of time without even realizing it. But time isn't just what ticks on a clock. Time shapes our destiny. Those who respect time rise to success. Those who waste it fall into regret. So listen carefully, because this isn't just a story. It's a reminder that could change the way you live forever. In a peaceful coastal town, there lived a young man named Jake. He was kind, smart, and full of dreams. But Jake had one big problem. He always said, I'll do it later. Every morning, he made big plans. I'll study more. I'll work harder. I'll start exercising. But every night, he repeated the same thing. I'll start tomorrow. Days turned into weeks. Weeks turned into months. And while his friends moved forward, Jake stayed exactly where he was. One evening, feeling lost, he walked along the shore at sunset. There, he saw an old man sitting by the water, watching the waves with a calm smile. Something about the man felt peaceful and wise. Jake sat nearby. After a while, the old man said gently, You look troubled, son. What's wrong? Jake sighed. I don't know what's wrong with me, he said. I have big dreams, but I never take action. I waste my time and I feel stuck in life. The old man nodded slowly. You're not the only one, he said. Most people waste time waiting for the perfect moment. But the truth is, the perfect moment never comes. He looked out at the ocean. Let me tell you a story, he said. Maybe it will help you understand the true value of time. Many years ago, he began, there was a farmer named Luke. He was simple and hardworking, but he often delayed important things. One morning, a rich landowner visited the village. He told Luke, Today, you can take as much land as you can walk around before sunset. Whatever you cover will be yours. Luke couldn't believe it. He ran home and told his wife. She said, Then go quickly. But Luke laughed and said, I'll eat first. There's still plenty of time. He ate slowly, then felt sleepy. I'll rest for 10 minutes, he said. But he fell into a deep sleep. When he woke up, the sun was already high in the sky. Panicking, he ran to the fields. He started walking fast, trying to cover as much land as possible. But soon he grew tired. The sun was hot and he was thirsty. He saw a tree and said, I'll rest here for a moment. Then I'll continue. He sat down and fell asleep again. When he woke up, the sky was painted orange. The sun was setting. He ran with all his strength, but it was too late. The sun had gone down. The chance was gone forever. He stood there, heartbroken. He hadn't lost because of bad luck. He lost because he didn't value time. The old man finished the story and looked at Jake. Son, he said softly, that farmer is you. You keep waiting for the perfect time. But the perfect time is now. Jake sat in silence. He realized how many chances he had already lost. He said quietly, You're right. I keep saying I'll start tomorrow, and tomorrow never comes. The old man smiled. Then start today, he said. Do one small thing. Don't wait. Don't think big. Just begin. That night, Jake couldn't sleep. The old man's words echoed in his mind. So he made a simple plan. Wake up early. Learn something new. And never say, I'll do it later. The next morning, he began. He woke up early and read for 10 minutes. It was hard at first, but he felt proud. Each day, he built small habits. He became more focused. He started finishing his work on time. He stopped wasting hours online. Months passed. Jake got stronger inside and out. His work improved. He became more confident. And most importantly, he respected his time. He often remembered the old man's words. Time is life itself. Once it's gone, it never returns. In real life, time is worth more than gold, money, or talent. You can earn money again. You can rebuild your career. But you can never earn back a wasted day. A student who fails a test knows the value of a year. A worker who misses a bus knows the value of a minute. A parent who misses her child's first word knows the value of a moment. So don't wait for tomorrow. Start today, even if it's small, because one tiny habit can change everything. Jake learned that lesson, and so can you. Remember, time doesn't wait. So don't say, "I'll start tomorrow." Say, "I'll start today." If this story inspired you, please give a like and subscribe to Wisdom Tales for more motivational and heart-touching stories every week. Till next time, stay patient, stay grateful, and keep moving forward in life.